30 years ago, Barney the Dinosaur taught us to share. Toledo, they don't want to share the conference title, taking on Bowling Green. Lights come on, UT shoots them out. Beautiful ball movement as Ryan Rollins finds Seth Milner for the early lead. Milner just getting started. Raheem Moss spots him in the corner. Seth Milner continues to hit from outside, giving UT another dimension offensively. Falcons, they're trying to get to Cleveland. Samari Curtis lets the three go at the other end, but just too much UT. Moss in transition. Milner throws it down. He had 19 points as all five starters in double figures. Moss follows that up with a dunk of his own. 15 points, 10 boards for Moss. UT, they blow out Bowling Green 96-56. Shoemate 22. BCSN's Joel Sebastianelli has more.
You know, one of the most fun parts about sports is every time you go to a game, there's a chance you'll see something you've never seen before. We've seen Toledo cut down the nets at Savage Arena. In fact, the women's team just did it a couple nights ago. But we've never seen the Rockets cut down the nets in this context. For the first time in 107 years, Toledo is back-to-back outright conference champion, doing so by throttling their rival.
This game was important to us because they came here last year, kind of right before the tournament, and beat us. So this was on our schedule. We wanted this one real bad. This feels great, you know, coming from two other programs that weren't necessarily, you know, winning teams, and just being here now and winning, man, it just feels great.
The fan support here tonight was great. Everybody played so hard as a team. It was fun. I mean, it was an awesome atmosphere. I think we've been playing well, been playing together. Still gonna watch film, still gonna get in there, tighten everything up before the tournament, but the momentum is rolling.
They'll open the tournament against Central Michigan, 11 a.m. Thursday. It's been 42 years since the program won that. The celebration is muted if they don't finish in Cleveland with a bang, but there's no stress.
We've had momentum for quite a while now. Now we just got to get to Cleveland and keep it going. So does Kent State and other teams as well, so it'll be a great tournament.
There's extra pressure for sure because, you know, you lose, you go home, and we know what we want to do.
Pressure's a privilege. You know, when there's pressure, that means you're obviously doing something good. But at the end of the day, the goal is to win 3 in Cleveland. That's what we got to do.
Another celebration. Ryan Rollins reaches 1,000 career points. He had 18 tonight. Bowling Green ends the season 13-18 overall. Losses in 9 of their last 11 games. That's all this season from Savage Arena. Joel Sebastianelli, BCSN.